was this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to all this post notifications so I never miss any video. Okay guys, there is a new house and there is the most creepiest thing I found in Brookhaven. So let's teleport to a house. I'm gonna locate this house. See, all the way at the bottom, this house right here. Let's make a tour because I know what it looks like, but I don't know what it looks like inside. So I'm really excited. Like inside, and it's whoa, wait, what's this? It's water. Whoa, and it's like this is so cool. This is so cool. It's like a mansion or something like that. I don't know, but it's super cool. Whoa. Okay, here there's like a roof. And then there's like a bed. This is so cute right now. But I really want to show you guys something in the church. It isn't that picture, guys, that I found. This is something. It's another secret in the church. So let's go to the church. No, but here we go. There's the church. It's creepy. And I really want to show you with you guys. Okay. Guys, look. What is that? I don't know, but what is that? Okay, let's go. It's the church. Wait. What was that? Okay, let's see. Okay, in your hands. It like glowed up, guys. I don't know, but it glowed up. Guys, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Wait, is there? There's a place in my house. Let's go there. Someone else has the new house. Okay, let's go in here. Let's try to find a secret. What is this place? What is this place? It's not saying. Okay, looks like this is the garage. And is there any secrets here? What is that? I don't know what is that though. Okay. How do I get up over there? I don't know, but I don't know. What was that? Okay, let's check one more time. Okay. Okay, it said, my name is Logan, and this is my house. Right? We know, this is your house, but we need to figure out what's that. Okay, what's that on the roof? Let's go. Okay, we're gonna get a ladder. And oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. You guys, if you guys want in the comments, I'll be starting doing more Brookhaven roleplays, okay? If you adopt me roleplays, or you want me to do Tower Misery, or to Piggy, something like that. High roleplays, you can tell me what kind of roleplays I could do. But I'm trying to figure out what is that. Okay, you know what? I'll just take the drone. I'll take the drone. Sorry guys, I've been really quiet. It's just that I need to figure out what is that thingy. But I'm gonna go on on the drone to see what is that. I think that's like a church bell, and it's like glowing. And yes, mommy. Anyways, it was like glowing, and then it was, I don't know, it's creepy. Okay, we're going here. Now we got to find the wait, there's a house right there. Okay, I think that's my house or someone's house. I see the church right there with that thingy church bell. How long was that there? Was that been there like on Brookhaven when I first joined Brookhaven? Oh no! I almost could. Okay, gotta go here. I'm gonna try to cook. Let's see. It's charged. There, it's charged. But gotta. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? If I like. Okay, guys, we were just. Okay, do what that one more time to see what was happening. It's like a church bell. Oh, it's like glowing. Yeah, it was glowing. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on those notifications, so you don't miss any video. Bye-bye.